there are three types of radioactive decay: alpha decay, beta decay and gamma decay. First type of decay, that is alpha decay. If from the radioactive nuclei there is emission of positively charged alpha particles, it is called as alpha decay. Suppose we consider that it is the nucleus of radioactive nucleus which contains number of protons and number of neutrons. If from such a radioactive nuclei, suppose two protons and two neutrons are emitted, then we can say that one alpha particle is emitted from that nucleus. Two number of protons and two neutrons means it is similar with helium nucleus. Means if there is a emission of two protons and two neutrons, or emission of alpha particle from the radioactive nuclei, it is called as alpha decay. Suppose we consider that X is any radioactive element. X is any radioactive element whose atomic number is Z, mass number is A. From such a nuclei, if one alpha particle, now alpha particle is much similar with helium nucleus, so we write as a helium nucleus with two protons and two neutrons, that is mass number 4, proton plus neutron. So if from such a radioactive nuclei, if alpha particle is emitted, the new daughter will be formed, or the new daughter nuclei which is formed, it is having mass number decreases, atomic number decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4. Means when there is a emission of alpha particle from the parent nuclei, the new daughter will be formed which has atomic number decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4. Now atomic number decreases by 2, that means it is shifts towards the left side of periodic table, or we can say that the new daughter nuclei will be formed which occupies the two places left to the parent element. For example, radium. Radium is having atomic number 88 and mass number 226. If there is a emission of one helium particle or one alpha particle, then atomic number is decreases by 2. So 88 minus 2, that is 86, and 226 minus 4, that is 222, and radon is two places before the radium or left side of that radium. Another example, thorium. Thorium is having atomic number 90, mass number 234. So if it emits one alpha particle or two protons and two neutrons are emitted, so 90 minus 2, that is atomic number of new daughter. New daughter is here radium. So radium decreases by 2, that is 90 minus 2, it is 88, and 234 minus 4, that is 30. Means for alpha decay, atomic number decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4. For radon to polonium, 86 minus 2, that is 84, and 1 alpha particle. If there is emission of one alpha particle from the uranium 92 238, so 92 decrease in the atomic number 92, 90 of thorium, and 238 minus 4, that is 234. Means when there is emission of alpha particle, the new daughter will be formed having less than 2 atomic number and mass number is decreases by 4. Then second type of decay is beta decay. The emission of high speed electron forming a new nuclide is called as beta decay. Means if from the nucleus of an atom, if there is emission of negatively charged particles, it is called as beta decay. For example, suppose X is any nuclei which is having atomic number Z, mass number is A. From such a nuclei, if there is emission of beta particles, we know that beta particles are fundamental particles. These are negatively charged particle. Negatively charged particle means it is nothing but electron, and mass of electron is negligible. Mass of electron is negligible. Therefore, if there is emission of one beta particle or electron, then the new daughter will be formed. New daughter will be formed with atomic number increases by 1 and mass number is constant, or mass number remains unchanged. Means when a radioactive element, X is any radioactive element, if a radioactive element loses beta particles, we can write beta particles or electron minus 1 0. Means if there is a emission of electron or beta particle from the radioactive nuclei, the new daughter will be formed which has atomic number increases by 1 and mass number is unchanged. Now atomic number increases by 1, that means it is shifts to the right side of that parent nuclei. Means this daughter will be formed which is right side by 1 place. For example, Neptunium 93 238. If there is emission of one beta particle, means atomic number increases by 1, that is 94, and 238 it will be mass is constant. Similarly for carbon 614, one electron is emitted, one beta particle is emitted, atomic number 6 increases by 1, 7 is nitrogen. Carbon 14, mass number remains unchanged. If nickel is there, having atomic number 28, mass number 63, when one beta particle is emitted, it is at 28 increased by 1, that is 29, mass number remain constant. Cobalt 27 and 16, it will forms nickel by loss of 1 beta particles with proton number increases by 1 and number of mass number is constant. It is called as beta decay. Means for beta decay, atomic number increases by 1 and mass number will be unchanged.